Hey everyone, great news for all you e-reader fans out there. Remember back in September when Amazon unveiled its new Kindle Scribe lineup? Well, the wait is over for two of them. The Kindle Scribe Colorsoft and the Kindle Scribe with front light are officially available to buy. Just in time for the holidays. The entry-level model without a front light is still listed as coming soon and is expected in early 2026. I've just gotten my hands on review samples of the new Colorsoft and the monochrome scribe with a front light, and I'm really excited to put them through their paces over the next few days. So make sure you subscribe so you don't miss my full, in-depth review. Now, let's talk about the price, because these are not cheap. The scribe with front light starts at $500, and if you want that beautiful color screen, the Scribe Colorsoft will set you back $630. That's a significant jump from the previous models, but Amazon has packed in some key upgrades that might just make it worth it. First off, the screen is bigger. It's now an 11-inch display, up from 10.2 inches, but it's in a similar size body. How did they do it? Thinner bezels. They've also redesigned the whole display stack, including a new mini LED lighting system for more uniform light. The new scribes are also slimmer and lighter than the previous generation, and they're powered by a new custom processor that Amazon says delivers a 40% performance boost. Just a heads up though, unlike the Paperwhite, these new scribes are not waterproof. One of the biggest questions I had was about the display quality. You might remember that the smaller Kindle Colorsoft had some issues with a faint yellow tint on the screen when it first launched. Amazon seems to have addressed this with the Scribe Colorsoft's new, more advanced display design. Naturally, the very first thing I did after unboxing the new Scribe Colorsoft was check for that yellowing. I cranked the front light all the way up, set the color to vivid, and I'm happy to report I didn't see any yellow tinge at all. The screen looks fantastic. It seems like the new architecture with miniature ice LEDs, texture molded glass for better writing feel, and near zero parallax really makes a difference. Everything feels snappier and looks great. I'll be diving much deeper into all the new features, the writing experience, and whether these upgrades justify the price in my full review. For now, check out my initial hands-on video link below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.